Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix picture quality on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here, you're going to find your profile section. So right now, in order to enhance the picture quality on Instagram, first of all, go to your profile section and then click on the icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, you're going to be here in this page. So once you're here, scroll a little bit down until you find data usage and media quality. So it's going to be here under your app and media. So right here, you're going to find device permissions, archiving and downloading, accessibility and translation, language, data usage and media quality, and lastly, app website permissions. Go ahead and click on data usage, and then you're going to be here in this page. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, in the top, you're going to find use list data. From here, you can enable the data saver. When data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. High resolution media, you can set it to Wi-Fi only or as you want. Also, here under it, you're going to find media upload quality. So right here, you can enable an option called upload as the highest quality. Make sure you enable this option so you will always get the highest quality possible. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you find this video helpful, and see you guys in the next video.